अस्सलाम वालेकुम। बच्चों के लिए वीडियोस के ज़रिए तालीम और तरबियत का सिलसिला शुरू किया जा रहा है। चलें बच्चों, आज देखते हैं कि आज की वीडियो में हमें क्या मैसेज मिलता है। जज़ाकल्लाह।
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are opening this retro robot. Let's open it and start. Wow guys, look at this. Now let's build the robot. Guys, guess what? This robot can teach us arts, English and mathematics. Her name is Eggy because she looks like an egg. So cute. And now let's get A4 paper and start playing. Guys, first thing is to do, we turn the robot on like this. Finish.
Nice to meet you. Let's draw something.
Nice to meet you, Eggy. Guys, let's start with learning English letters. How I am talking to you, that's English. Now let's show the A card letter in the Eggy robot's eye.
Letter A.
Look, I made it. A is for apple. Yes, we made it. Now let's color the apple. I have lots of crayons and markers to color it. I'll switch and color the robot. A is for apple. Me and robot are so smart. Now guys, let's learn the numbers. I'll do number 2. 2. Guys, I put my hands here and Eddie draw his little hands. A-K-L-M-N-O-P. It's ready. Who's this better? I know it. I think they're both very nice. Guys, now let's do word card. I'll choose from one of the card and we'll see what it can be. I will guess to be this left now.
English card. Animal. Hi there. I am a beautiful insect.
In this card is a butterfly hiding. Oh, I love butterflies. They're so beautiful and colorful. So it means we need to color them.
Won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Guys, my butterfly is so beautiful and I love it. Thank you so much, Shaky. Because you have me to draw everything I want. You are a smart robot egg. Guys, now let's take nature card. It says nature. So now we put it on here.
Natural knowledge, rain. Hello, kids. Do you know where the water comes from?
From the clouds.
Yes. Some water comes down from the sky. The water from the ground evaporates into the air. When it encounters cold air, it condenses into small droplets. These small droplets form the cloud. Now, let's draw a cloud. Raindrops are like this.
Like thunder, rain and go away. Come again another day. It's a boy who wants to play. Rain and go away. Look, the clouds and the rain is coming from the clouds. But now let's draw the animal cognition card.
Hello. Glad to draw with you. I will draw an animal. Please look carefully.
Guys, look. I drawn my whale. It's so beautiful. Peekaboo. Guys, now let's draw some shapes.
Draw with shapes, car. Friends, do you know the shape of your car?
Guys, now we have cars. Guys, now let's do the digital paint. and the bench. And all this we drew by numbers. Now let's color it. And this is our pen. Guys, did you like my eggy robot? Guys, look, I was able to do this. Lots of things.
See you soon.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
जी बच्चों, उम्मीद है आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी और इससे बेहतरीन मैसेज भी मिला होगा। अगर ऐसा है तो कमेंट्स में लिख कर हमें बताएं और हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि इसी तरह की वीडियो आपको मिलती रहें। जज़ाकल्लाह।